If you love to hear music, especially with earphones, then you might came across such problem. Like I've been using this handfree for roughly about 1 year. So after withstanding much abuse, the one side of it got died. So in this episode, let's dissect this thing and see if we can fix it. So let's get started. Now, if I connect the handfree with my mobile phone and play some music, you can clearly hear that only one side of it is working. You can only notice this if you are using a handfree. Now, if I wobble the jack around a bit, you can also hear sound on the other side. So there must be a problem with the audio jack. Maybe the wire inside of it is damaged. So let's remove the insulation with the help of a box cutter. After that, cut the wire with the help of something like cutter or a scissor. If your jack is covered in metal, then don't mind, just throw it away because it is not possible to open the metal shielding. But if your jack is covered in plastic, then use something like cutter to snip the isolation and you will see 4 wires for connections. In my case, the golden wire is for ground, the black wire is for the microphone, the red wire is for the right channel, and the green wire is for the left channel. But these colors of wires actually vary with different handfrees, so take a look at these pictures, you will get a better idea for the connections. Now use a soldering iron to remove the enamel insulation from the copper wire. Heating the wire and using a bit of solder should do the trick. Now connect all the 4 wires to the jack with the help of a soldering iron. Using a helper stand or some kind of pliers is definitely recommended because the jack will get hot quite a bit and it is not possible to hold it with your fingers. After you finish with soldering, use shrinking tube to protect the connections and you are done. Now you can hear that both the sides are working. If you like this repair video, then please subscribe to my channel. Despite of this repair video, I also have some other great electronic projects on my channel, so be sure to check them out. Once again, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay safe and I'll see you around.